Get ready to supercharge your chores with the revolutionary power of Sunjoe Ion Plus, the most advanced 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, and the latest innovation from America's #1 brand of pressure washers and cordless snow blowers. Check out the Sunjoe Ion Plus cordless turbine jet blower. It's ultra lightweight and compact, and at just 4 pounds, about the same as a half gallon of milk. I can lift it with just one finger. Yet, it's ultra powerful and makes yard cleanup a breeze. Forget getting tangled up by cords or being limited by where a cord can reach. Don't waste your time and money struggling with gas. No one likes breathing in those nasty fumes. And why work so hard using a broom? Because now, there's a much better way. A cordless, convenient way. A fast, fume-free way. An easy, quiet, super powerful way. When you go with Joe, you get the cordless freedom to clean anytime, anywhere the work takes you. So, you can clear the porch, patio, walkway, garage, and garden of leaves, dirt, debris, pollen, grass clippings, mulch, and even light snow.